Hi there, this is Wayne with Cloud9 Business Apps. We're going to do a brief little tutorial today on how to manage slash maintain your Airbnb calendar. The calendar is actually really easy to use. You can do a lot of stuff on it very quickly. So I'm just going to click log in, and we are going to log in. This is all going to be hidden from you as we are working on an actual client's site here, and for privacy reasons we'll block out a little bit of stuff. So click log in, and now you'll see up here, in addition to your username and whatnot, the host button. Also over host, you see manage listing. Click on that. It'll take us to a page that shows all of the listings under this account. In this case, there are 3 of them. 2 of them are actually active. We'll just click on this first one here, and it's going to take us straight to the calendar. When your calendar displays, you can see all of the rates. You can see existing bookings. So in this case, there is one booking on this calendar that's showing. Um, this is the only booking on this calendar that came from Airbnb, and it shows us the username here. But there are other dates blocked out, and those are dates that would have come from a source outside of Airbnb. Before we get into managing this calendar, I'm just going to show you up here on the left. You'll see what is becoming standard in the industry for your menu. If you click on menu, you'll see there's lots of other things you can set. So your basics would be all kinds of things for you to set up here. But we're for now going to just stay on the calendar. So we're at the calendar. As soon as you mouse away from this menu, it's going to disappear, and you've got your calendar there in front of you. So one of the things that you might want to be doing if you are managing a calendar is setting up some rates. So let's say here we are in February 16th, but starting September 30th, you want to lower your rates and have a low season from September 30th, 2016, right through to whenever. The first thing I'm going to show you up here is how to navigate through the various months. And basically, it's pretty straightforward. We're in February. Click this arrow. It's going to take you to March. Click it again to April. But you can skip a long ways ahead by hitting this drop-down menu and go right through up into basically all the way to 2019 on this calendar. But we want to go to September 2016, so we'll click that. It's going to take us directly there. So let's say we want to change, the goal here is to change our rates from 184, which is the default rate on this particular listing. So let's say on the September 15th, we click it. You'll see it's brought up a little menu of things we can do here. So we can block that date out and click Save Changes. So that particular cabin has become unavailable for the 15th. We'll click it again, and we are going to make it available again. But that's not what we came to do. What we really came to do was to change the rate. So let's say we wanted to just change it for 2 days. With this little handlebar right here, you can drag it around, and let's say we want to change it right through to the 22nd. Now we see that those dates are selected. You'll see that over here we could change the rate for that date selection, but we can also change the end date. So right now we've got 15th to the 22nd selected, and you'll see that's reflected up here. But we want to change these rates from the 15th right through to April 30th, let's say. So you go over here, just one click on that field, and it'll pop up a calendar. Click through the months until April of 2017. Click on the 30th. Change the rate from 184 to a huge discount down to 183. Save changes, and you'll see that it will change to 183 over here right away once the it updates itself. So now you see starting on the 22nd, it's 183. And we could, just to show you that it has worked, we'll go through to February, let's say. And you see it's 183 there as well. So we're going to go back to, we'll use this month by month. We're going to go back to September and find out where it starts at 183 and set it back where it should be. It has, I just came back from a brief pause there because it was still showing 183 at the beginning of the month. It's just because I'm moving too quickly here. It took a second or two for the system to update. Anyway, now we'll see. Keep that in mind while as you're managing your calendar. There's a second or two delay, believe it or not, in this day and age. We'll see that it's 183 starting at the 22nd. We're going to just choose another day so that we can get this menu up here. And we remember that it went to the end of April 30th. And we're going to get rid of that huge low season discount and put it back to 184, which is where this client wants it. Incidentally, the client has given me permission to experiment on their website and make this video. So we see now that they've switched back to 184, and again, just to confirm that our settings have taken place, we'll go directly to April 2017, and we see that they are 184. So that's how to make mass changes on your rates. You can also do the same thing on your availability. So we'll just use the handlebars and stay within the month of April now. But once again, if we wanted to, we could change the date here to make this mass change with respect to not rates, but availability now. So let's say we get a booking for that length of time. Just click blocked and save. And you'll see that these dates are blocked out. Let's say for some reason on your Airbnb calendar you want to know who is staying at that period. It wasn't booked from Airbnb, it came from a different source, but you want to make some notes on your calendar. Very simple. You select it. You'll see over here add a note, and you'll see, we can just type in Joe Blow has rented it for that period. Save changes, and you'll see those notes have now been reflected in that whole period. I think I accidentally didn't select these, so we'll put the note there too. Joe Blow, and save changes, and they're there now too. Now just so you know, when you add those notes, these are just notes for yourself. Guests at the front, on the front end of the site, aren't going to see these notes, just so you know. So we got those notes. So let's say we want to get rid of those notes because Joe Blow has canceled. So we just take that out and click save. And then we realize, well, wait a second, he's canceled. We have to make these dates available again. So select them again and make them available. Save changes, and bang, we're done. So very quick to make changes across wide date ranges. Very, very nice flexible calendar. That's it for this calendar maintenance updating video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. If there's anything missing, by the way, on this tutorial, questions I have not answered for you, feel free to leave some comments down below, and we will address them, either getting back to you via email or perhaps adding to the video. All right, again, thank you, and bye-bye.